Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to create camera from view. So as example, I will insert objects. You can use the polygon cube. And if you want to create camera from this view, you can go to view menu and then choose create camera from view. So it will be automatically create camera, and you can change like go to panels perspective. So we have this perspective ones for the camera view, and this is for the default. So you can see we have this camera, and I will create again like at this view. You can click view and then click create camera from view, and the name will be changed perspective 2. So you can go to panels perspective, and we have these two camera. So I will move into default. So this is for the default, and it we create the camera view in this point. So you can create again, like I will create in the top view here. Now you can go to view, click create camera from view, and it will be set into number 3. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to create camera view.